Welcome back. We have to fix something. If you remember, this inlet pipe, or inlet duct actually, did not fit at all with this front part of the intake. I think it's called just an air duct, or called air inlet duct, if I can get my words correctly. So what we're going to do is going to take this off. I'm going to do a dry fit with the new parts, okay, and we'll see if we have any fitment issues. Maybe what I was actually speculating is when they molded this, obviously it's very thick plastic. I can barely bend it, which is good. Obviously, we don't want any warm air coming in here, but I suspect that the diameter of this here is obviously a bit smaller, so this was actually bent and it broke. So we're gonna do a dry fit, like I said, and if it works, good. Maybe I didn't put it correctly and broke it, but let's see how it goes. Yeah. This is the what I'm talking about, even though I can see here that they've already shaved quite a bit of it during the process, but if we have to, we're going to use our dremel and shave it a bit more. Yeah, same with this one. It has actually a nice slit maybe to catch underneath, but I think we can shave a bit more of that. And it's just a clip like that. We do have the trunk release cable here. We need to unclip that. It's easy and simply comes out. Alright, here you can see how much it got squeezed. I had to actually make a relief cut, okay, in order to fit properly, and that's why I put a screw right through here to keep from this opening from not being collapsed like so. So yeah, let's try. Actually goes like this. Yeah, we're tight. So, alright, let's take out the dremel. I gotta say, working with my chanclas is the best feeling ever. Alright, so from what I see is we're going to trim out of the left side here a little bit more, and here on the bottom. I need my safety goggles. 1 second. Safety goggles check. All right. A little bit better. Okay, it actually clips in. It is not collapsing, so this is good, but still a little bit too tight for my liking. So we're going to take off a little bit more. Okay. All right, much better. Gonna get maybe a 600, 800 grids to just smooth out the surface because it's quite a bit rough. This is probably grid 5 or something like that. But yeah, all right, let's see. Actually, I was able to find grid 150. Going 600 or 800 would take 40 years to smooth out the surface. Yep, it works. Of course it's gonna work. I'm fixing it. Now this one was, so the passenger side was the worst one. Let's see. Yeah, I can't even go in. So we're gonna take off from everywhere. By the way, when I received this package, there was a label inside the package says that these plastics cause cancer in California, so better be careful. And here I'm yet standing with no mask on, so Yes, like a glove. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, that's it. Gonna smooth out just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna wash these. Quite a bit of debris inside. Alright, let's put in the new air inlet duct. That goes key. Out. Alright, simply clip in these guys. Good. Clipping the hood cable. Nice. This one doesn't clip in here, but it clips here. Wunderbar. Next, these guys. Fits very well. Next, yes. It's more like it. This is the finished product. Now it fits good. Unfortunately, I do have a screw hole left, but it is what it is. Now, as you can see, these were like that. They already like a pre-bent in here, so these are not actually forced. Opening is straight. Same on this side. So we're back in business. Now I'm going to have to figure something out, because I do want to retain this option where air comes in here and cools off the computer. I did try some shenanigans. I mean, I chopped it up pretty good though, as you can see, almost everywhere. These are just obviously tests. Cuts. It will fit. Here, let me just show you. Basically, it will clip like that. Semi-fitment, I guess. I have not put this in, but it does actually clip in the middle part where the intake curves up, so at least there's one clip that is working. I trimmed a little bit here, maybe it was too much. I trimmed here, actually it fits pretty good. Trim around this area and this as well, but still it just doesn't seem to, I don't know, it just doesn't look too good. I don't know what to do with it. Maybe we're going to make a custom molded part just to bring these together and cool the computer. So we'll see. Well lads, this concludes this video. So what's next? I think we're gonna tackle the Alcantara steering wheel. I'm going to put my original wheel back on, and we're gonna attempt to actually clean it properly. But if it doesn't clean up, it's gonna go right in the bin. So that being said, see you next time.